Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share one dessert recipe, sweet recipe. Because mango season is there, so thought let's make one recipe, sweet recipe with mango. We are very lucky that we got Himsagar mango here. Sitting in London is very difficult because this is the first time we got this Himsagar mango. Today I am going to prepare rice pudding, but not normal rice pudding. I am going to use this Himsagar mango. I'll use the pulp from this mango. Means I am going to prepare mango payesh. So let me go ahead and prepare this mango payesh. This is Himsagar or Himsagar mango. If you don't have Himsagar mango, you can use any other mango. First, I'll boil 1 liter of milk. Here I took full cream milk. It's simple recipe, only it needs time to cook. We need to boil till it becomes half. I'll boil it medium to low heat. Here I'll add 3 tablespoons of milk powder. It's optional, but if you can, it makes the payesh very tasty. Milk is boiled properly now and reduce the volume as well. Here I washed and soaked 3 tablespoons of small grain rice. I soaked it for 15 minutes. Now I'll add this soaked rice into the milk. If you don't have small grain rice, you can use pudding rice or basmati rice as well. Cook it in low to medium heat till the rice gets cooked properly. Now I'll add 3 tablespoons of sugar, but depends on your taste. You can change it. Mix it and bring it to boil again. Rice got cooked now and milk also reduced in half. Turned off the gas now. Now I'll add mango puree. I used 2 mangoes. Slowly add the mango puree and mix it with rice pudding. Our creamy, yummy mango rice pudding or Amer payesh totally ready. Garnish with some chopped pistachio. Keep this mango rice pudding in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours and then serve. It's really delicious. So my mango payesh is ready. It's very simple, very easy to make. Only you need little bit time to prepare this thing. It's very tasty, very yummy. Mango season is there. Use fresh mango pulp and make this mango rice pudding. And to prepare this, you need only few ingredients, not too many ingredients here. So that's all from me today. Thanks for watching. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.